Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Hot radiator. We get everything ready to come out of the box. Now that is beautiful. All that space from that little bit of shit. Rid of these two bolts, it should be caked from there. Loosen these two bolts, coming out of right there, and right there, should just slide right out. Make sure you disconnect that from there before you get too far along on it. All that space on the hood. And don't forget to take this off before you get too far along. Drive by fly by wire, if you don't know what that actually means. Stupid computer argues with what you want it to do. Not too terrible in there. And now we started with the reinstall. And my batteries are in. Oh well. That's all y'all get for now. Major thing installed so far. Everything but the Z filter.